Oh, what a stunning vista this is. Oh, look, there's somebody running over the landscape. Very interesting, so exciting. Oh, what's this? Some words are appearing. I like words. Run, run, run. This should be a good one.
Today I'm going for a run in the mountains, but before that, Colin here has convinced me to go and duck in Loch Ness at sunrise at the freezing cold, and now, so that we can do this in one continuous take, we need to duck onto the water.
Oh no.
3, 2, 1.
Where you go? Oh, you're braver than I am.
Oh! I think I'm having a heart attack. Whoa, this road is dusty.
Today I'm in a part of the Mournes that I've never really been to before, down the Attical area, up the Sandy Brae, and I'm going to go for a run without any electronic devices, apart from the GoPro to record myself, but no navigation tools, using only a map. So this isn't going to be the world's most difficult navigation because, you know, visibility is pretty good today. But I'm up about here at the top of the Sandy Brae roads, back that way in Attical. There's a car park back there. But I'm here, and the route I want to follow, although now I've seen somebody else head up that way, which looks nicer, but I've committed to it. I'm going to go up here, up what I think is called the Great Gully, unless the Great Gully is somewhere else. But anyway, up here to Windy Gap, which is between Slieve Monagmore, I think it's Monagmore, and Eagle Mountain, which is here. When I get to the gap, I follow the Mourne wall up the summit, Slieve Monagmore, and then down, and then back up to Pigeon Rock Mountain. Summit is here, and then I'm going to follow along, right along here, all the way to Slieve Maguch, which is here, and then just make my way back down to this trail. That's the plan. Never been up here before, so let's see how it goes. So you might think, if you watch this channel, that I would probably know just about every single spot in the Mournes, but I really don't. I haven't been really in the Western Mournes that much at all, especially not this bad. I've never been up this track, first time up here. The Eastern Mournes, sort of, well, northeast, Slieve Donner direction, well, they've been on fire recently, so as good an excuse as any to finally come down and explore the Western Mournes a little bit more. Keeps happening every year. Wildfires seem to happen around Slieve Donner. It's the worst they've ever been this year, or at least as long as I can remember. like from a distance the mountain looked like a volcano. It's just the heather. It's been uncharacteristically dry and the heather's all dried out, so it's just like a tinderbox. So once it goes up, it just goes up. But I think it's out now, but I just wanted to avoid that area just in case. Ooh. Okay, I wasn't going to stop until Windy Gap, but actually that looks so much interesting up there. So much interesting. Yeah, I can't resist not flying the drone up there. I've got the Mavic Mini with me. I just realised I left my GoPro back where I flew the drone.
We interrupt this splendid broadcast to bring you 4 minutes of moaning and complaining. Yes.
I am not having the best run today. Can't believe I've never forgotten the camera like that before. I am not having the best of runs. I'm gonna have to cut this a little bit short, all kinds of reasons. Oh, my mountain running ability is gone. I've only had about one decent run a week for the last month or so. Well, yeah, probably most of April, March, only one decent run a week. Because just been so busy work, so many projects, and when I have lots of work on, I can't get in the right mood to run, and then I just don't get out as much. And I just got an email that means I'm probably gonna have to get back to the office before 3 p.m. anyway, so I thought I was going to be able to spend the whole day up here, but change of plans. So I'm going to go up Windy Gap, and then I think I'll go up to Eagle Mountain, and there's another peak, Shanleave, over that way, so I'll go to it and then I'll come back down that ridge. It'll make the whole thing about 2 miles and at least an hour shorter, I think. Then I can get back into the office and get back to work. Yeah, self-employment has its benefits, it also has some big disadvantages. Yeah, the earliest I could get it today, realistically, is probably 4 or 5, maybe just before end of day.
Yeah, aim for that, Stephen.
Okay. Okay, no bother. Okay, bye. Bye. And now I just got a phone call. It means I'm gonna have to cut this even shorter. Oh. Oh, I try to get away on Mondays because nothing ever happens on a Monday, and now I've just been in it. Oh. Self-employment, folks, it's the way to go. But I'm up here, but I'm answering phone calls, but I'm up here, but I'm replying to emails, but I'm up. Hello, here now the second phone call I've answered on a Monday morning. No one ever calls me on a Monday morning, and now everybody's calling me. Oh, it's Naomi this time. Once the montage stuff is into the montage stuff, it's going to make the timeline shorter. So everything will need scooched up. So what you're going to end up with is a timeline with some montages that have been nicely edited, and then raw footage kind of spread out in between. Yeah. 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 I'm never gonna find that again. Oh no, that was a terrible idea. Oh no, I can hear her talking from here. I'm back. I just threw the phone over into a hedge. that windy gap, which is oddly not that windy. Summit of Eagle. It seems a lot of the mountains in this part of the Mournes are named after birds, because this is Eagle, and over there we've got hen, cock and pigeon. Not a bird, but you got Spelga Reservoir over there, Millimore, Midbeg, Burna, Donard and Binion over that way. I think I'm just going to follow the ridge all the way back down Eagle, because I want to fly the drone. If I go over there, I won't have time. I want to go down and fly right off the end of that craggy bit I saw on the way up. Right, let's go back down and get the drone out. That was just with a little Mavic Mini. I was trying to do like FPV style shots, flying it down and then up that gully. I'm assuming that is the great gully that everybody's talking about. Yeah, everybody. I say everybody, I mean I found it in some maps, but I'm adding this to my list of places to come back with the FPV drone, because a proper dive down that would be absolutely insane. Right, continue onward. I think from here I should be back at the car in about half an hour. I did not mean to rhyme that, but follow the trail. Yeah, look at this here, look. See that? That is crazy. That's the grass that died off over the winter, and it's just, it makes the best tinder ever, but that's why the wildfires go nuts here. I mean, look, all this. Look how, that's mad. Like if I was to drop a match on that ground, there would be an area meters wide in flames within about 5 minutes or so. That dry grass just spread so quickly. I guess no wonder those fires in Donard were so bad. There we go, back onto the farm track. Yeah, hope you enjoyed my little trail running video. I maybe wasn't as enthusiastic as normal. I just too much stuff in my mind at the minute. No banter. I was no banter. Zero crack today. Zero crack. Yeah, feel free to have a look around the channel, see if there's any other videos you might want to watch. I don't just make videos about running, I also make videos about technology like drones and small action cameras, and sort of outdoor stuff in general. So have a look around, you might find something else you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And if you're in Northern Ireland, well, maybe I'll see you on the trails. Bye bye. this day started in water, it just feels appropriate that it should end in it. Enjoy this gentle river walk. If you look over here, you can see some ancient cave carvings of Neolithic Mourne dwellers. You can see here, this is like a really old map that follows the routes up. So this is the trail I was following earlier. And this is Windy Gap, you can tell because there's a swirly pattern here. I can see it, you really can't see it. And then this signal here, this symbolizes the level of pain that you'll feel if you try to go up there without being prepared.